In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add reviews to your Wix website quickly and easily. Reviews are a powerful way to build trust with visitors, boost credibility, and showcase authentic customer feedback. Let's walk through the process step by step. First, log into your Wix account and open your dashboard. From here, look at the left-hand sidebar and click on Apps. This is where you manage your existing apps and access the app marketplace. At the top, you'll see a search bar. Type in Product Reviews. This will bring up different apps designed specifically for displaying customer reviews. For this tutorial, select the app called Product Reviews. Click on it to open its details page. Take a moment to scroll through and check out the features and reviews so you know exactly what it offers. When you're ready, click Add to Site. Wix will then prompt you to confirm by agreeing to the terms and conditions. Click Agree and Add, and the app will automatically install onto your website. Once it's installed, you can start customizing how your reviews look, where they'll appear on your site, and begin collecting customer feedback right away. And that's it! You've successfully added reviews to your Wix site. This feature will help you highlight customer experiences, build trust with new visitors, and strengthen your brand's credibility. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more Wix tutorials.